We highly recommend our subscribers to purchase paperback book and develop habit of reading. Today's unposted letter is Be someone's greatest gift. I need a relationship in which I don't have to keep explaining myself. Nothing is more tiring than having to constantly explain yourself. Emotional tiredness drains you far more than physical tiredness. So, the search is for the one relationship in which I can enjoy the freedom of trust, where I don't have to explain everything about me. I need a relationship in which I won't be held against myself. I have my strengths, I have my shortcomings. The search is for that one relationship in which my lesser side will not be provoked and instigated constantly. I want that one relationship in which my positives will always be brought to the surface. I need a relationship in which my today is not viewed with the mistakes I made yesterday. Being human, I'm bound to err. Every now and then, I want someone who won't maintain a database of my mistakes. The search is for that relationship where yesterday's fight doesn't halt today's communication, where yesterday was over yesterday. I need a relationship in which it isn't me who has to take the initiative all the time. I need a relationship where I can be transparent. I need a relationship in which I don't have to alter my likes and dislikes to gain and retain the relationship. I need a relationship in which my self-image is not scratched. I need a relationship in which I'm not asked to be anyone else. I need a relationship in which I feel completely myself, even more than when I am with my own soul. I need that one relationship in which I feel as though I am once again in my mother's womb, a relationship in which my hearts always feel just born. Oh, my dear readers, if you already have one such relationship, please go down on your knees in gratitude, for there cannot be a greater gift from life. Such a relationship is life's greatest gift. If you don't have one, despair not. Didn't he say from the mountaintop, Do unto others what you want others do unto you? Can you be that one to someone else? Gift ourselves into someone's life. Love someone so completely that you make yourself worthy of being someone's greatest gift. People feel your love not by what you are with them, but by what they can be with you. In the presence and fragrance of your love, let your beloved blossom.